Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel this week, where I'm about to share something exciting with you today. So basically, I noticed so many people, they have e-commerce platform, but and they want to collect payment through their e-commerce platforms. They want to give their customers options on different ways that they can pay. So there are some e-commerce platforms that you go to, you see, checkout. If you are in Nigeria, you can check out with Paystack. Paystack is a payment gateway company in Nigeria. You can check out in some websites, you see Flutterwave as well is also a payment gateway in Nigeria. So if you are in abroad, if you are in the UK, if you go to websites online, if you want to check out, they will give you different options like Klarna. Klarna is a kind of platform that you can integrate to your website, that you can pay. You spread your payments, the payment of the product, into three different phases. There are some websites that you see PayPal, there are some websites that you see Stripe. So for the sake of this video, I want to show you how I integrate Stripe to my website to process payments. How I integrate Stripe to my website to process thousands of transactions monthly. So that's just what I want to show you. It's the payment gateway I want to show you how you can integrate it to your website is Stripe. So Stripe is a payment gateway that is popular all over the UK, all over Europe and US. So what you need to do after you've set up your e-commerce store, you set up WooCommerce. If you use WooCommerce to build your e-commerce store, so just navigate to WooCommerce here. If you use WooCommerce, if you use Shopify, this video is not for the sake of Shopify, it's for the sake of people that use WooCommerce. But if you use Shopify, I'm going to create video on Shopify. If I have a website, if I have a project I'm working on, and the website is built through Shopify, so I'm going to show you that. I'm going to create a video on that. But for the sake of this video, it is WooCommerce. So once you use WooCommerce to build your e-commerce store, the next thing you need to do is to just go to the back end of your website, navigate to your WooCommerce, and come to settings. After you set up your store, you see different things here. You see general, you see products, you see shipping, rather, you see payments, you see emails, you see integration, you see account and privacy. So go to payments. Once you go to payments, you will see, since it is WooCommerce I use to process this thing, so all you need to do is you can set up WooCommerce payments. You can set up different things. Can you see this Klarna I was talking about then? You can set up Klarna. You can set up Alipay. You can set up anything you feel like, even direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. But for the sake of this video, I'm creating the one for Stripe. So let's just click on finish setup. So once you click on finish setup, it will take you to this place. So I want you to leave everything in this place. I want you to leave it the way it is. So, and I want you to click on this checkout. Click on enable Stripe gateway and save it. That's the first step that you need to do. If you haven't set up Stripe account, because this will require you to set up a Stripe account. So if you haven't set up a Stripe account, I will encourage you to do that. It's very, very easy. So you just come here. After you've enabled this, enable Stripe gateway, then you save it. At the top here, you see Stripe API settings. Click on it. So which is what I did. I clicked on it and opened it in a new tab. So once you click on it and open it in a new tab, you can decide to open it in that same tab. Is left to you. You click on connect with Stripe. If it's telling you, if you click on connect with Stripe, if you haven't set up Stripe account before, if you don't have a Stripe account before, you are going to set up your Stripe account. But if you have set up a Stripe account before, you just connect to your account. So you can use one Stripe account for over 10 websites and countless, because I have over 10 websites already, and I've connected my Stripe account, just that one Stripe account. I've connected it with multiple websites. So next thing you need to do, just click on your account. So can you see, if you don't have a Stripe account, you just put your email here, you create a Stripe account. But for the sake of this video, I have a Stripe account, so I don't need to create another account. I will just connect it to my Stripe account, to my existing Stripe account, and generate a unique key. So if you have one Stripe account, you can connect it to like 10 different websites and more, but with a unique payment key. So each website will have a unique payment key that will separate them from each other. So that's just what you do. So you click on continue, put in your email, continue. So I'm going to put in my password right now. Once I put in my password, it will log me in. So I've been sent a password. So I've been sent a password. So I will generate the password. So I'm going to input my password right now. So can you see that I already have an existing account? So I already have an existing account already. So all I need to do is to just click on, I created this account 2002. Then I click on connect. I'm not going to create a new account. Okay, you see the option of creating a new account there. So if you don't have any account before, you need to create an account first before you can integrate it with your website. So the next thing, once it brings you to this place, the next thing is to click on enable gateway. So I also I will also encourage you to enable express checkout, something like people that have Google Pay or Apple Pay connected to their website, to their phone or their website or their bank card, something like that. You can enable it on the website. So I enable that most of the time, is what I do. So this is where the real deal is. This is where the real deal is. So because I know what I want to do, because I know what I want to do, because I know what I want to do, Stripe will first tell you to set up the payment gateway in a test mode and test it first before you now do the live mode. But for me, since I know what I want to do, I know you need to set up all this list of webhook events. This list of webhook events, you need to set up all of them. So what I do is that I just copy them, because I see no reasons why I need to set up the test mode first, then I need to set up the live mode again. So I just change this to live mode, and I copy the live hook. I copy this. So this is the guide. If you want to read about the guide on how you can create it, but for the sake, you can read about it here. But that's the reason why I'm creating this video, for you not to go through the stress of reading the guide. So what I do when I get to this point is that I just copy all these things. Once I copy all these things you are seeing here, I copy them. Once I copy them, I copy this webhook, because it has changed to live webhook. I keep it one place. I also keep that one place, and I paste it here. This is my, okay, this one is wanting me to log in, so I'm not logging in for now. So I paste it here. This is the webhook, and I click on save. So I'll go to customize. So you come here, you go to your API settings again, because you are here to finish the setup. So you need to generate a key. Your account is connected here, but you need to, this is not your live hook, and you've not set up this event that you need to, webhook event that you need to set up. So what you need to do is to just go to, log in. Log into your account. Click on continue. I'm being sent a code again. So this is where we want to go to. I don't know if you still understand the step. Once you click on enable gateway, yeah, and it takes you here, you use the webhook URL. You need to go to your dashboard. You need to go to and sign in. It will take you to sign in. That is when you will enable this webhook event. This webhook event is what will make you generate a key. That will make you generate a key that you will change this to. You will change this. You're going to change this. You are going to change this to a live webhook secret. This is not the webhook yet. So what you need to do at this point is to copy each of these events. Let me show you. Copy this. You click on select events. So you need to put this webhook URL now. Copy this webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL. Paste it here. This is the endpoint URL that you need. Then you click on this. Copy this first one. Click on select events. You click on charge. Then you click on add events. That's the first one. The second one, you click on charge refunded. You copy this. Click on change event here. You paste it in your search. Then you click on add event again. You come here again. You click on change event again. You click on this. Another one, click on this. That's how you do for everything. You click on change event again. All I want you to know is that if you have one Stripe account, you can use that Stripe account to connect to multiple websites to collect payments with just one Stripe account. But you need different API keys for different accounts. That is why you need to set up this listen to Stripe events. This, what I'm setting up here, that's why you need to set it up for each one. Once you set it up for each one, you generate different API keys for different ones. That's the way to do it. So click on this. The next thing you need to do here, I think I've been muted for a while, so I'm sorry about that. So what I was saying is that you need to set up all these events here. So the essence of setting up all these events is for it to capture successful. Can you see? Charge refunded, charge captured, charge dispute closed, charge intent succeeded, charge intent payment failed, everything. That's the point. But you need to connect this webhook because that is the endpoint URL. This webhook that you are seeing here, that we generated the other time, you need to put it as your endpoint, and make sure that you change it to live. Change it to live mode, not test mode. I don't follow those test mode because there's no point. There's no point, since I know what I want to do, and that's the essence of this video. So the next thing you need to do is to click on add endpoints. So endpoint has been added that way. So endpoint has been added that way. So what you need to do next is to just click on review secret key. This is your secret key. This is the key we want to be here. This is the key that will charge, that will work for all these webhook events that you set up. And it is unique to each website that you have. So I will open my other websites for you, and you will see that the webhook secret is totally different. So let me come to this place, and let me just clean this and click on save. So then let me paste it. I pasted it, then I click on saved. So can you see that it has saved? So if you go to my website right now, you will see that Stripe API, you will see that if I go to purchase, that I want to purchase a product, you will see Stripe payment gateway there. So let me go to one product. Let me click on add product to cart, view cart. Let me click on calculated shipping. Let me just click on this. Let me just click on updates. I just want to click on proceed. So can you see Stripe payment gateway is set up already? Pay via Stripe. So that's just what you need. So I said I need to show you that I want to show you my other website that I have. Let me go to shop for ForeverLiving products. So let me go to shop for ForeverLiving products. So the essence of this video is that I'm also using this video to introduce you to an affiliate marketing business that I do, that I used to generate income on the side. So the affiliate marketing business is called ForeverLiving Products. So if you are interested in joining the business, you can just reach out to me. I will paste a link there. If you are interested in joining the business, there will be a link to join the business directly inside in the link to this video. You will see it there. And if you want to reach out to me, you want to have a conversation with me about if you have any question or about the business, just reach out to me. I'm open to having a conversation with you. This is an automated system that will be generating you income even when you are sleeping. And that's the lifestyle everyone is supposed to be aiming for. So let's click on payment and check out. Let's go to Stripe API for this website. Can you see that this website is shopforeverlivingproduct.com? The one we just set up for is buyforeverlivingproduct.co.uk. So let's go to this place and click on Stripe payment gateway. Can you see enable saved card? I want to go to so let's go to Stripe. So this is it. I'm going to Stripe now. I just want to show you that what I'm talking about, that you can have one Stripe account and connect it to several websites. So can you see it here? Click on Stripe API settings. If you look at this end with PLS. right? The live webhook secret here ends with PLS. Let's go to this one. Can you see that for this bar, it ends with OCO, 0CO, which is quite different. So that's just it. So if I believe, so what the idea I'm trying to share with you in this video is basically that you can have one API, one Stripe account. Can you see the name of my Stripe account? neolifeproduct.co.uk. That's the name of the account for this shop, ForeverLivingProduct.com. For this one, can you see it is also the same thing? It is also the same thing. So all I'm letting you know for the sake of this video is that you can have one Stripe account and connect that Stripe account to multiple websites using different webhook keys to collect payment. That's basically what I want to share with you in this video. If you have been able to gain value in this video, please, and you have questions or you have things you want to ask or you want to learn about the business I'm doing, you can reach out to me via the phone number in the description of this video. And if you are interested in joining the business without a question, you can join the business through the link in the description. Thank you very much. See you soon.